strengthen pa ang inyong chemistry or bond through the show?
Paano mag-strengthen ang bond na?
Siguro ang gustong tumbukin ni Charmy dito is, okay, when you say bond, that's usually off-camera moments. Ano yung mga off-camera moments ninyo that made your bond stronger? I saw you guys were doing...
We started out the locking surfing.
Surfing.
La Union is known for that. And Belle never surfed before, so really never did lessons and stuff.
Okay. I-fight ka doon, ikaw?
Nag-surf na ako dati, pero nagulat talaga ako dito kasi first time pa lang. Nakatayo na siya.
So white water muna, di ba? Yung parang nakahiga ka lang, habulin mo muna yung wave.
Pumunta ako muna ng palayo kasi
that's
dito
right.
waves and then you have to wait. Actually, that's fun, the waiting part. Kasi, yun, how to spot a wave. Yun yung sinasabi nila. We have to wait for the right waves.
That's
and then
right.
we can go up on the board. And she did it, ang galing niya.
Tayo
Doon pala.
agad?
Tayo agad! Humble lang yan. Hindi, masaya. Nagiging bonding talaga yung surfing dun sa La Union. I think that's where it started kasi alam na namin pagdating namin ng La Union, very different feel, very different vibe from Pinoy. You know, when we're there, okay, this really determines what the show is. It's super light, super refreshing. It's literally a breath of fresh air, and I'm so glad that they chose the perfect spot for it. Kahit medyo malayo, worth it talaga pumunta doon. Doon kami naglalakit. So I think it started with that, and just going around, seeing the different spots, like what restaurant we ate in a couple of restaurants too, and they have a very, very unique culture there that even in the art scene is growing rapidly, the food scene. And yeah, we just enjoyed it so much. To a point na every time we would go there, we would always try to find new stuff to do and new things to do. It's like parang siyang, may parang goals kami. Okay, think gagawin namin, let's go to this restaurant, let's try what Ate Mai suggests here, let's go to her resort. Kahit yung mga kubo style na area, sobrang ganda. So, ayun, yung mga bonding namin.
Belle, ikaw naman.
Sobrang dami ko kasi bagong na-experience na doon. Like, we went sa falls too. Sayang, nag-shoot ka ng araw ngayon, but we went sa falls. As in, ano siya, ilang minutes? Ilang minutes?
30 minutes. Tapos nag-jeep sila.
30 minutes going to the, tapos mahabang hike siya. To the falls, tapos nag-surfing kami. Tapos sobrang saya. And I think, ganun yung paraan, paano na actually, hindi lang yung bond namin yung nabuo, yung buong cast, mas naging close talaga kami sa isa't isa. Nakakatawa nga kasi, yun nga, I was able to try new things talaga doon. Like, parang it was me getting out of my comfort zone. Kasi, hindi naman ako, siya kasi beach boy, ako hindi talaga ako beach girl. Diba? But,
pero tahan kayo pareho ngayon, ha? Grabe.
I fell in love with La Union as soon as I got there. Nasabi ko, wala, nung una nga sabi ko, wala, layo ng biyahe. Pero, pag nakatapa ka ng La Union, parang ayaw mo nang umuwi. It's so beautiful. I fell in love with the place. Yes, we work out almost like, inaagahan namin yung gising namin.
Work out?
Yes.
Paano work out?
Gym.
Gym?
Yes. They have this really nice gym.
Nag-Muay Thai nga kami, kasama ni Isnir.
Oh!
1 month source si Isnir.
I fell in love with the place, the community, everything. So I think that's also one way for everyone there.
Yes. No, thanks for bringing us to La Union. Para at least yung mga hindi pa nakakapunta doon, may feel nila na,
yes.
Oh, it's such a good...
Hindi na tayo maging tour guide.
Tour guide na kay promo, Binondo to La Union, di ba? Okay, thank you kay Charmy sa kanyang question. Ang next is from Hannah Mallorca. Ako na rin yung magkapasa para kay Hannah. Belle, have you encountered any red flags? Can you share how that experience was? Anong natutunan mo while going through that experience? So in the past, have you parang may nakita ka ba, nakilala ka? Doesn't have to be someone romantic, no? Parang, let's say, a friend or somebody that, you know, biglang red flag, parang...
Well, I think, to be honest, since we're all humans, lahat naman tayo may mga red flags. Minsan nga hindi tayo aware na may red flags tayo, di ba? Tayo mismo, di ba? Depende lang yung kung gaano kalaki yung flag na yun or kung gaano kaliit yung ano na yun. Pero I feel like, for me personally, I would say yun nga, online, siguro trolls, scammers, I think that's a red flag for me, syempre. They're pretending to be people that we don't know, and they're pretending to be someone we don't know. So yun, throughout that experience, I would say don't believe everything you see online, most especially kung walang credibility. at the same time, be extra careful. Click with caution as well.
Love that. Click with caution. Ikaw, Donnie, aside from sa kanina na kwento mo na na-scam yung family mo, have you encountered someone before na may red flag, tas bilang,
Kaya tama yung sinabi ni Bel, lahat naman tayo, we have some form of red flag inside of us, Lahat naman tayo, di ba? Wala namang perfectong tao. I think I saw it more here in the show than before seeing a person as a flag, you have to understand that they went through a lot of stuff, which is why they got to that point. So, yeah, they could be a red flag here, but maybe it's because they didn't have a father growing up, or they lost a loved one, or they're showing their insecurities through that red flag. Pero di mo alam na red flag yun sa'yo. So, you have to also, before judging someone, understand that they're going through a lot. And yeah, red flags can be seen everywhere, especially in industries like this, in all workplaces. But I think it's very important that you surround yourself with people who you will lift you up. And if people have red flags, especially if you're close to them, and you have the privilege of telling them, kasi minsan tama, hindi mo talaga makikita yun eh. It doesn't help to have a conversation. It helps to have a conversation about it, Kasi minsan pag pinag-uusapan yun, doon nila makikita. Doon nila parang malalaman na may way pala na I can get through this, and maybe I was blinded by it because of something that happened with me in the past. I don't know.
Pero challenge yun, ha?
Very
Tell
big
somebody na, hey, this is your red flag, uy, ganito ka.
Yeah.
Medyo,
Stay with caution.
Yun, di ba? Unless
they ask.
Yeah.
It's nice if they ask.
Can I just add to what he said? Totoo yan. Because I remember I said this before, that there are no bad people. People are just doing bad decisions because of their bad situation or bad experiences. So, yeah, I agree.
May second question si Hannah, pero before, bago ko makalimutan, may question ako, do you believe that someone na merong red flag has the room for reform or deserves a second chance?
Well,
With you, deserves a second
Yes,
chance.
sa'yo.
Well, for me personally, I think I would be able to forgive. But it's hard to forget, right? And I think it also the depth of what they did to you or how big their red flag is, diba? So, I mean, yun nga, napatawag tayo ng Diyos. So, ba't di natin kakayanin magpatawad ng ibang tao? Just remember na parang, yun nga, it's okay to forget, but sometimes you have to know your limitations or boundaries.
Yeah, it's healthy to set your boundaries also. Hindi naman ibig sabihin na forgive mo na yung person, you're back to normal, you're back to square one. Especially if that person really hurt you. You have to protect yourself as well. Especially kung gaano kalala yung sitwasyon, hindi natin alam. And a red flag for someone may not be a red flag for another person. So it really depends. When you guys talk about that, you should talk about, upfront, yung mga boundaries, yung mga non-negotiables ninyo, what goes for me, what doesn't go for you, So communication is very important.
Sarap nyo nakakwentuhan, ha? Parang tayo nagkakaroon ng dito, na parang life lesson forum eh. Pero ang sarap pakinggan ng mga POVs ninyo because you guys are right. Di mo rin pwedeng invalidate yung feelings niya, di ba? For experiencing that because of your red flag, okay? Yung second question ni Hannah is for Donnie. There comes a point sa buhay natin na tayo mismo ang naging red flag. Anong ginagawa mo pang-remind sa sarili mo na hindi maging ganong tao? Knowing na hindi rin naman tayo perfect na tao. I think something that can support that too is, do you have somebody in your support system that reminds you?
Yeah, 100%. You have to have people who will keep you accountable. And you have to tell them up front na, uy, kung hindi na ako, sabihin mo ako. Mahirap yun pero when you reach that point kasi, alam mo na it's coming from the heart. And it's not something they'll do to judge you. So that would be my family, of course. Even you. You're someone who tells me stuff na siguro hindi masasabi ng iba, di ba?
Talaga? Sinasabi mo siya?
I would say so.
Same naman kami. Like, we really need to communicate.
Yeah. And I think you just have to be open to listening to people, and especially those who never left your side, kilala nila kung sino ka. So, very important na yung mga voices na pinapakinggan mo, yun yung mga taong kilala ka talaga. Kasi sila ang makakasabi ng mga bagay na hindi mo marinig sa iba.
Ika nga nila, Be, hindi na ikaw yan. Di ba? Ganun nila. Be, hindi na ikaw yan. Is there anybody here na gusto magtanong mula sa ating, let me know at